Step inside a realm where 1860 meets 2026. This isn't just a 100-square-meter apartment, it is a cinematic revolution in urban living. Imagine the grandeur of Baron Haussmann's legacy fused with the radical sustainability of the future. We are exploring a space defined by the Enfilade layout, a rhythmic sequence of rooms that creates a breathtaking visual depth, proving that true luxury isn't about size, but about perspective. Welcome to the new standard of Parisian magic. The journey begins at the limestone threshold, where history breathes through intricate masonry. The facade stands as a testament to 19th-century prestige, yet something has shifted. The iconic wrought iron balconies are no longer just ornaments, they are vertical gardens, overflowing with a curated wildness that softens the rigid stone. The high-contrast shadows of the Parisian sun play across the sculptural window frames, hinting at the eclectic soul residing within these walls. But the true drama begins the moment the oak doors swing open. Welcome to the heart of the Enfilade. Your eye is immediately pulled through a series of perfectly aligned doorways, creating a vanishing point that feels infinite. Here, a hand-carved marble fireplace anchors the room, while Eclectic Parisian DNA takes center stage. A plush antique sofa sits in conversation with 2026-era designer chairs crafted from translucent, eco-friendly biolaminates. The sunlight hits the honey-toned parquet, illuminating a space that is both museum-grade and deeply livable. Observe how the light leads us deeper into the private sanctuary. In the master suite, the atmosphere shifts to a moody, high-contrast romance. The walls, adorned with original crown moldings, are painted in a deep, midnight charcoal that makes the gilded antique bed frame glow. It is a masterclass in texture, silk drapes meet raw linen, and a vintage vanity stands beside a futuristic, minimalist lighting installation. This room serves as a quiet retreat, where the rush of Paris disappears into the soft embrace of velvet and history. Even in rest, the home's culinary heart beckons with sleek precision. The kitchen redefines Parisian utility. Moving away from traditional clutter, this space utilizes the Enfilade perspective to showcase a monolithic island made of sustainable bioresin. Matte black cabinetry disappears against the white ornate walls, creating a sharp, professional aesthetic. Brass fixtures provide the jewelry for the room, catching the light as you move toward the dining area. It is a kitchen designed not just for cooking, but for the performance of hosting. Look upward, where the architecture reaches for new, hidden heights. Rising above the classic proportions is a bold, black steel mezzanine, a 2026 architectural intervention. This floating library creates a vertical dialogue within the 100 square meters footprint. A glass-floored walkway allows you to hover above the living room, offering a bird's-eye view of the parquet patterns below. It is a space for contemplation, where digital art displays sit nestled among leather-bound first editions, bridging the gap between centuries with effortless grace. From this height, the path to the most intimate detail becomes clear. The bathroom is a sensory triumph of pattern and light. The floor is a masterpiece of custom mosaic tiling, a classic technique reimagined with a 2026 geometric edge. A restored vintage clawfoot tub serves as the centerpiece, juxtaposed against a high-tech, frameless glass rain shower. The high-contrast black and white palette is warmed by the glow of Edison bulbs and polished brass, turning a daily routine into a ritualistic experience in a space that feels like a private boutique spa. Let's step outside to where the stone meets the secret garden. Though we are in the heart of the city, the entry courtyard feels like a discovered secret. The Oase concept begins here, with climbing jasmine and architectural ferns softening the limestone courtyard. High-contrast lighting creates dramatic silhouettes of the oversized eco-planters. This transition space serves as a sensory palate cleanser, stripping away the noise of the Parisian streets and replacing it with the scent of wet stone and green leaves. But the ultimate breath of fresh air is found at the very top. The rooftop is the apartment's crown jewel, a lush, private ecosystem perched above the zinc roofs of Paris. Here, the Eclectic Parisian style moves outdoors with weather-resistant 2026 designer lounge pieces. The contrast is staggering. The ancient skyline of the city serves as a backdrop to a futuristic garden filled with lavender and ornamental grasses. It is a 100 square meters slice of paradise that proves you can have a forest in the middle of a metropolis. Beneath this sky-high garden lies the engine of modern creativity. The study is where the Enfilade layout achieves its most professional form. Framed by tall French windows, the desk is positioned to look through the entire length of the apartment, providing a sense of immense scale. An antique mahogany desk is paired with a 3D, printed ergonomic chair, representing the perfect marriage of heritage and health. The walls are lined with floor-to-ceiling shelves, creating a cocoon of knowledge that is bathed in crisp, high-contrast morning light. Behind the workspace, a hidden retreat offers a different kind of peace. The backyard terrace is a masterclass in utilizing small urban spaces. This narrow strip has been transformed into a high-contrast sanctuary, where white stone walls reflect light onto deep green tropical foliage. Solar-powered lanterns highlight the textures of the antique garden statues and the sleek, recycled fabric cushions of the seating area. It is a quiet pocket of the world, designed for evening espresso and whispered conversations under the Parisian stars. In the end, the Parisian magic of this 100 square meter space isn't found in the expensive antiques or the 2026 tech, it's found in the balance. It is the courage to mix a 19th century molding with a recycled plastic chair, and the wisdom to let light and perspective do the heavy lifting. Thank you for touring this modern Haussmann masterpiece with us. Truly, this is how we should all be living, with one foot in history and the other in the future.